Your Apple Watch can help you find your iPhone in the dark, take photos from across the room, and more. Here are 10 handy Apple Watch tips you should know. You can quickly reply to an iMessage with a tap back. Just double tap a message in a conversation and select a tap back. Need to find your iPhone quickly? Open Control Center and look for the Ping iPhone button. A single tap will make your iPhone ping, but if you press and hold, your iPhone will ping and flash, which is helpful if you're searching in the dark. Going in the water? If you start a swimming workout, Water Lock will turn on automatically. For anything else, tap the Water Lock button in Control Center to avoid accidental taps on the watch face. When you're done, quickly turn the digital crown to turn it off, which will unlock the screen and clear any water from the speaker. To rearrange your apps on the home screen, touch and hold an app until it jiggles. Then drag it to a new spot, or tap the X next to an app to delete it. Press the digital crown when you're done. You can view your apps as a list instead of a grid. Just firmly press on the display while on the home screen and tap List View. Taking a group photo? Open the camera app on your watch and position your iPhone. Now frame your shot, using your Apple Watch as the viewfinder. Tap the timer to give everyone a chance to get in the shot, or tap the shutter button to take a photo instantly. If you're listening to something on your watch, you can choose which paired Bluetooth device you'd like to play it to, like a speaker or your AirPods. To choose an audio output, open Control Center, tap the AirPlay button, and select a device. You can also customize your complications, which display additional information and actions on your watch face. Start by firmly pressing it, then tap Customize. Next, swipe left all the way to the end and tap a complication to select it. Now, turn the digital crown and choose a new one. Press the digital crown to save your changes when you're done. Bad time for a call? Quickly silence it by resting the palm of your hand on the watch display for at least 3 seconds or until you feel a tap. Now that you know these tips, share them with a friend.